Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario marks a bold new chapter for Lamborghini. It replaces the iconic Huracán and introduces an entirely fresh design, more advanced technology, and electrified performance unlike anything before it. At the heart of the Temerario is a new twin-turbocharged V8 engine combined with a hybrid system. Together, this setup produces incredible power, delivering explosive acceleration and lightning-fast response. Lamborghini claims this machine was built to offer thrilling performance while also embracing the future of efficiency and innovation. From the outside, the Temerario looks every bit like a Lamborghini. Sharp lines, aggressive aerodynamics, dramatic air intakes, and a low, wide stance give it serious road presence. The front end is futuristic and intimidating, while the rear features a bold exhaust layout and signature lighting design that makes it instantly recognizable. Step inside, and the cabin feels modern and driver-focused. Premium materials, sporty seats, and advanced digital displays create a cockpit designed for speed and comfort. The latest infotainment system adds more connectivity, while improved ergonomics make daily driving easier than ever. On the road, the Temerario promises razor-sharp handling, all-wheel drive confidence, and instant hybrid torque that launches the car forward with breathtaking force. Whether on city streets or the racetrack, it delivers excitement in every moment. What makes the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario special is how it blends raw emotion with cutting-edge technology. It keeps the drama Lamborghini fans love while moving into a new electrified era. If this is the future of Lamborghini, it looks incredibly fast, incredibly loud, and incredibly exciting. Would you choose the Temerario over the Huracán? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more automotive reviews. Car emoji, sparkles emoji.